Experience maximum durability with new Milwaukee magnetic tape measures. Drops are the most common cause of tape measure failure, but Milwaukee has you covered. A 5-point reinforced frame design has been engineered to protect against damage from drops. Nylon bond blade protection guards against abrasion to increase the overall life of these tape measures. This ensures that your tape will survive in the harshest job site conditions. We've taken the time to engineer a tape measure with all of the features that you need on a daily basis. We've printed on both sides of the blade so you can read your measurement from any angle, and added an architect scale. Consistent, accurate performance for maximum durability. Milwaukee magnetic tape measures.